Thanks so much for tuning in. And if you're new here, hi, I'm Bill. Welcome to my channel. Please check the description box for all the links. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, comment below, let me know what your thoughts are, share it. Also, please do consider subscribing. That I say is my own opinion.
Mr. Saltz said that he didn't have to abide by the laws in the state of Washington in terms of code of conduct, which is actually false. So I'm not sure where he says that. All I ask for everyone is to extend me the courtesy and the space, because what I'm being accused of is false. They have no evidence. Mr. Saltz has, there's 3 violations on Twitter. I can show you. It says standards of professional conduct. This is from the Western the court in the state of Washington for federal court. It says that in order to maintain effective administration of justice and the integrity of the court, attorneys appearing in the district shall be familiar and comply with the following: the local rules of the district, including the local rules that address attorney conduct and discipline, the Washington Rules of Professional Conduct as promulgated, amended, and interpreted by the Washington Supreme Court. Supreme Court. So it says on there, right there,
that they must abide by the Washington Rules of Professional Conduct.
In the courtroom. He's on a public platform. Twitter is a public platform, just like you are doing now. Do you think that you are conducting professional conduct as a defendant, having a tanty because someone is suing you for defamation, but you can't see where you went wrong because, you got all your information from a business partner who's also in a lawsuit with Tati, shouting from the rooftops that you didn't work with anyone, you didn't use anyone. No, you didn't use anyone. They used you. These are professionals. You're the only one that's not a professional. No one believes your bullshit. Same thing you're being sued for now by Robert Shin and 7M. Tell me, whose fault is that for not learning?
Which is what we asked of him to do with the stopping of talking about me, defaming me, and speaking about me on Twitter. The fact that he is answering your questions on Twitter is so concerning to me, because is he doing this legal case in order to what? Is he doing this legal case so he can win the court of public opinion? Why is he spending his
Why are you spending hours and hours on Katie Joy lives, which you then go and delete? Because just like your whole life, you can't stand behind your words. Your leaf, your resume, your Google resume, does not speak highly of you.
time on Twitter hanging out with my troll accounts? Well, if he's knowledgeable in his field, why doesn't he know that he has the Washington Rules of Professional Conduct? And these are the rules he's violating. Washington State Professional Conduct prohibits communication with a party the lawyer knows is represented by an attorney. In representing a client, a lawyer shall not communicate about the subject of the representation with a person the lawyer knows to be represented by another lawyer in the matter, unless the lawyer has the consent of the other lawyer.
He's not your lawyer. So he's not breaking any law of conduct. Katie, what the fuck are you talking about?
The State of Washington Rule 4.4a. The Washington Rules of Professional Conduct prohibits actions that are of no substantial purpose other than to embarrass someone. Why are you, Mr. Saltz, on Twitter speaking about me, conducting business with known trolls who have doxed, stalked, and harassed me?
He is Tati's lawyer. He is under no obligation to talk to you. If you want to talk to him, do it through documents. You see what's going on? You are part of the lawsuit. He's doing research online because guess what? That's where the defamation happened. You clickety-click on your Twitter account. You made Twitter part of it. Own your actions, Paulson. Own your actions.
How does that serve your business? And it says, in representing a client, a lawyer shall not use means that have no substantial purpose other than to embarrass, delay, or burden a third person, or use methods of obtaining evidence that violate legal rights of such a person.
Read that first line again, Paulson. What does it say? In representing a client. He's not your lawyer. Are you fucking serious? You are trying to control the other party researching on the platform that you use to defame their client. Make that make sense.
So I don't know anything about Mr. Saltz. I have
Put that on repeat.
I don't know anything. I don't know anything. I don't know anything.
You don't know anything.
I'm simply pointing you guys to, he's on Twitter talking about me, engaging with known trolls, accusing people of being me that are not me, harassing them, tagging them, pinning them, and then getting trolls riled up to go after them. And none of them are me because I don't have sock accounts. And if you have evidence, why would you file a lawsuit without evidence? It makes no sense, Michael.
The evidence is you, Katie.
Like, why would you go onto Twitter when it's right here?
Why would you go on a Twitter and take control of the steering wheel? I've got everyone believing my narrative.